bro, cause wow. Okay. Hey man, say man, it's your boy, Melanin, Prince, Eli, you dig? That fine. Smart, groovy, dark skin, you dig? And I'm back with another video for y'all, man. Let's get it, let's go. Bruh, I'm so pissed off right now because I just did 2 girls. The first one was, oh my god, she was beautiful, bro. She was bad as heck, bro. And it was just wasted, you feel me? Because my phone wanna act stupid. My phone wanna act stupid. For what? God. But look, man, we finna get back to this video, man. Hopefully it won't act up again. I'm finna start this screen recording in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Alright, man. We finna hit back at that monkey. See what it's talking about. Feel me? See what it's talking about. Look like. Alright, 16 from Georgia. Georgia. Alright. Hello. Hello. How you doing? So at time. Huh? What you say? Wave check. I don't got waves. I got braids. Cause I got braids and I want to keep them flat. Wow. You better be glad oh. Okay. Oh my mama, them little thoughts had me messed up. Bro, if one more girl pass me by, I'm going off and somebody jump, bro. How you doing? Alright, at time really quick. Alright, so basically, I'm doing a YouTube video right now. Okay? And I'm doing a YouTube video right now. Alright, and I need y'all to rate me. Be honest.
To rate you?
Yeah.
Move your head. Wait, smile. With your teeth. Smile. Okay, so you cool. 9, 8, 8, 9.
Alright, what's your friend say? 9? Alright, bet.
Wait, you got waves?
No, I got braids, but I just like to keep, I'm just trying to keep it flat. Yeah. Thank you. Alright, so that's a 9, you feel me? Alright, next, she 15. United States. And she fucking 15 from Tennessee, alright. How you doing? At time. You gonna add time? Alright, thank you. But look, alright, so basically, I'm doing a YouTube video right now. And I'm doing a YouTube video right now. And it's a rate me video. Be honest with me.
And?
Yeah, she got big racks, y'all. But look, I'm doing a rate me video for YouTube. Okay? And I want you to be completely honest with me.
Okay.
Rate me 1 to 10. Who?
I'll give you a 5.
9.5? Alright, that's a bet.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Alright, so far your boy going good. Alright, 2 girls. How y'all doing? Hello? At time. Alright, so basically, I'm doing something for my YouTube channel right now. Alright? And I need... Huh? Oh, I didn't even ask.
Boy, if you don't...
I'm slow. Alright. she's. How you doing? Ooh.
Good.
Ooh. All right. How you doing?
Good.
Yeah. All right. So I'm doing a YouTube video right now. Hold up. Follow me back real quick. At home. All right. But I'm doing a YouTube video right now, and it's a rate me video. So you can rate me 1 to 10. Be honest. Don't lie.
A 5.
A 5?
Yeah.
Oh.
Got me fucked up. You can suck my left nut.
Oh. That bitch got me. No, on my mama. I slapped that little light skinned ugly little girl on my mama. She got me messed up, bruh. Fake it. Ugly like curls. Alright. 19. Hello? Hello? How you doing? Anton. Alright, so look. I'm doing a YouTube video right now. And I need y'all to rate me 1 to 10. Be completely honest.
Please don't show her in it though what she was doing.
Huh?
I rate you like a 10. Like
A 10?
10 and a half. Like, you're cute.
She capping, alright? She capping. She just trying to help my feelings. But thank you.
No, I was not. You're hot.
Okay.
Follow me.
Thank y'all.
Follow me.
I did. I did. Bro. Alright. Your boy doing good so far. That little ugly light skinned girl with the curls wanted to give me a freaking 5 and jump like I really won't pull up and slap her. Like, well, she got me messed up. Oh, my fault. How you doing? How you doing? At time. You want to add time? Alright, that's a bet. That's a bet. Accept. How you doing? How y'all doing? Hello? Wow, bro. Wow. That's a bet. That's a bet on my mama. Alright. Hello?
Hello?
How y'all doing?
What do you got for me?
Alright. But look. Alright, so basically, at time. Alright, so basically, I'm doing a YouTube video. And I need y'all to rate me 1 to 10. No cap, like, be 100% real. 7?
I said 6.
Huh?
6.
6 and 7? I could do better, but alright. Thank y'all. How do I leave this shit? Okay, wait. How do I leave? Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do. Alright, there we go. I know I'm not still in this. See, bruh. Oh, okay, there you go. So I ain't really like that one, but I wasn't gonna go. I ain't gonna even go off on nothing like that. You feel me? 15 from Connecticut. How you doing? Hello?
Hey.
How you doing? At time. I don't like females like that, bro. Like, don't get on here to talk for 5 seconds. Jada from Texas. How you doing? At time. Alright, so look, I do YouTube. Alright? Alright, I do YouTube, right? And I need you to rate me 1 to 10. Be honest. 0? Damn, that's tough. That's tough, guys. She said 0. They said 0. A who? A 8?
What's that username?
Melanin Prince. Alright, that was an 8, you feel me? I ain't doing too bad, but I ain't liking some of these, you feel me? And that little nigga in the back, I slap you. How you doing? How you doing? At time. At time. Okay. Okay. So, I don't want to add time, bro. Like, what's wrong with these folks? Hello?
My ex-best friend, my ex-name, Elijah.
Hello? Hello?
I'm not spending like a hoe. Oh, I have a back condition. Bye.
Bro, I'm only doing like 3 more of these, bro, because these folks is getting on my nerves. I ain't going to cap to you. Alright, it's 15 from Texas, you feel me? She 15 from Texas. How you doing?
Hey, Judo.
Thanks. But look, at time. Alright, so look, I do YouTube, and
Don't do it in your life.
I'm doing YouTube right now, and I need you to rate me 1 to 10.
What?
I'm doing YouTube right now, and I need you to rate me 1 to 10.
7.
7?
I can't rate anybody. 7.
7? Oh, that's dope.
7.
You a good little girl.
You rated 7.
Thank you. But alright. How do I leave this shit again? Oh, there you go. Alright, little white girl had some little loyalty, you feel me? She said, I got a boyfriend. I'm not accepting this junk. Next, you feel me? Alright, I'm gonna do like 2 more. And I'm gonna be over with, cause this not it. Come on, weird. Alright, Kaden. Okay. Hello? You gonna show your face or talk? Thank you. Alright, at time. Bro, these white girls. These white curly headed girls, bro. Little light skins think they something, you feel me? Okay, bro. Last one, bro, cause wow. Okay. Add time real quick. I'm doing a YouTube video. Alright, look. So basically I was gonna ask you to rate me 1 to 10 for my YouTube channel.
You
A 6? A 6? A 6? Wow. Huh?
What's your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel is... Fuck out of here, bro. Gonna give me a 6, then ask me my YouTube channel, bro. Got me on my mama. Alright, last one. Hello?
What's good? What's poppin'?
You're... At time, you seem cool. Alright, so look. I'm doing a YouTube channel right now, okay? I'm doing a YouTube video right now. And I need you to ask... I need you to rate me 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
Be honest, yeah. Be honest.
Be honest, very honest.
Nah, be slightly honest. Be slightly honest.
Oh, you are. Oh, I can do that. Break your feelings, honest. I
Yeah.
I give you about a 7, baby.
A 7?
7 to 8, maybe.
7, 8. Alright. So average it out. A nice little 7.5.
Yeah, nice little 7.5. You right.
Alright. Thanks. Alright, man. That's my last one. We done with this. You feel me? Because no, sir, no. Alright, so that's my last one. You feel me? Make sure if y'all like this video, subscribe, watch me again, like, comment, you feel me? Comment, you feel me? Like, give me them likes, feel me? Subscribe. These followers I got is not the move, okay? So look, I'm gonna have another video for y'all soon. And yeah, I just need more motivation to post, but I got it, bro. I got y'all. I don't got nothing else to do, so why not? My fault, y'all. I forgot to give y'all little filter, man, y'all little outro, whatever, you feel me? But alright, y'all. Hey, man, say, man, stay royal. Dig.